Hello YouTube, welcome to Dr. Vibes a Learning Point. In this video we'll study about a topic that is called as varicocele. तो सबसे पहले जानते हैं varicocele होता क्या है. So it is a condition where there is abnormal dilatation and tortuosity of the veins of the pampiniform plexus of the spermatic cord. So basically your testis is supplied by the venous system that is pampiniform plexus. उसकी जो veins होते हैं जो वो dilate हो जाते हैं, tortuous हो जाते हैं, उसी को हम लोग varicoceles बोलते हैं. Now, what is the epidemiology? So it is common after adolescence and there is a risk of subfertility at adulthood. Okay? Left side is more common, उसके बाद bilateral होता है और फिर right side होता है. So epidemiology मतलब आपको पता है कि किन लोगों में ज़्यादा पाया जाता है. So it is usually after adolescence, right? And the problem which people have is subfertility at adulthood. ठीक है. नाउ लेट्स सी व्हाट आर द कॉजेज ऑफ वैरिकोसील. आखिरकार ये डेवलप करता ही क्यों है, किन लोगों में डेवलप करता है, किस वजह से डेवलप करता है. सो लेट्स सी दैट. सो फर्स्ट, इफ देयर इज इंक्रीज्ड प्रेशर ऑन द लेफ्ट रेनल वेन. Now this can happen if there is a renal cell carcinoma or there is a retroperitoneal tumor or if there is a left adrenal vein drainage problem, that is the left adrenal vein is draining opposite to the left testicular vein. Now if there is a perpendicularly draining left testicular vein, so these are also the reasons ki why left sided varicocele is more common than the right sided varicocele, because the left sided vein from the pampiniform plexus perpendicularly drains into the left testicular vein, and secondly the left adrenal vein drains opposite to the left testicular vein. Okay, so the first reason I gave you was increased pressure. The second reason is valvular incompetence. Now अब आप जानो कि पेशेंट को प्रॉब्लम क्या होता है एंड एज अ डॉक्टर मैं क्या देखूंगी. सो पेशेंट को प्रॉब्लम सब फर्टिलिटी का होता है. Now for me to examine the varicocele, I have to do it in the standing position just like I do the examination of hernia. Now then I will inspect for the visible tortuosity of the veins. So inspection हो गया. Palpation में what you will do? So you will palpate the spermatic cord or the scrotum and then you will feel the bag of worms. So inspection में you just see the tortuosity on the scrotal skin. That tortuosity represents the tortuosity of the pampiniform plexus of veins, and secondly I palpate करोगे to feel like the bag of worms. Now what are the clinical grades of varicocele? So there is 0 grade, that is subclinical, which is non-palpable. अगर palpate करोगे तो bag of worms नहीं दिखेगा. The grade 1 is that it is palpable with valsalva. Patient को बोलोगे अपना नाक को बंद करो, pressure increase करो, then it will be palpable. Grade 2 is easily palpable but it is not visible. ठीक है. And grade 3 is कि वो आपका visible भी होगा, जो tortuosity है वो visible भी होगा. So now you have done the clinical examination. You are suspecting varicocele. Now you will go for evaluation. How will you do that? By USG Doppler and by semen analysis. Lastly, let's study about the treatment कि varicocele को treat कैसे करते हैं. आपने diagnose भी कर लिया. So there are some indications of intervention. That is, first, if there is abnormal semen analysis, if there is pain and there is significant testicular atrophy. अब interventions क्या होता है? Surgical होता है, radiological होता है. In surgical you have open surgery and laparoscopic surgery, और radiological intervention में you have sclerotherapy or embolization of the internal spermatic vein. That's all about varicocele. Thank you.